bitter gourd yogurt casserole, or garlic bitter gourd yogurt bowl, or bitter gourd garlic raita. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt casserole recipes, and one of the most easiest among of the yogurt bowl recipes, and one of the most unique of the raita recipes, and one of the most different of the bitter gourd recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the casserole recipes. We're going to make garlic bitter gourd yogurt casserole. We've taken around 15 grams of ginger, 15 grams of garlic, or 20 to 30 cloves of garlic, around 8 to 10 shallots, and around 150 grams of bitter gourd cut into small pieces, 10 to 15 ml of olive oil, put in a few mustard seeds, and let it fry. Once the mustard seeds start popping, put in the shallots, salt, garlic, put in the ginger, ginger, the shallots, put in the garlic, rub the ginger and the garlic together, then the curry leaves, salt, put in half a spoon of chili powder, not a spoon of turmeric powder, mix in the bitter gourd pieces, salt, Put in salt to taste. Thoroughly mix. Keep on salt. Salt for 5 to 6 minutes. Put it in low flame. Put in some curry leaves. Mix. Pour in 100 ml of yogurt. Mix thoroughly and let it cook for a minute. The garlic bitter gourd yogurt casserole is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic bitter gourd yogurt casserole or garlic bitter gourd yogurt bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt bowl recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bitter gourd casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the bitter gourd recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the Raita recipes and one of the most unique of the Raita recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.